We produce farm-to-table beef. We have about 200 cattle and 200 calves every year. So we keep about 600 head of cattle, and currently we have about 500 to 600 acres of grass and rangeland and grow 300 or 400 acres of corn. If you're a farmer, you have, over your career, a chance to shape the land and shape your business and shape your reputation and build your ethic to that picture in your mind of how things should be. And I don't know what else I could do besides farming to create that. Risk in farming is part of the landscape. The risks that we face, some are controllable and some are not. We always have risks of health, both for the farmer and for the livestock. We have risks in weather, which can somewhat be mitigated by our practices. Sometimes they can't. And one of those things that we can do to manage crop production risk is crop insurance. Crop insurance allows you to expect at least a bottom line income. Last year we had 40 inches of rain here, and by June 10th I was short 100 acres of what I intended to plant. Crop insurance helped me with that. There have been years when the sunshine just didn't bring it to us and crop yields were low. There are years occasionally when we have a drought and grass production is just not what it should be. And feed's hard to buy, but the PRF policy indemnified me for that drought, and I was able to continue doing what I'm doing. So it does change the way I farm, knowing that my risks are at least covered to a certain extent.